Morning class 8. Again we are with our next video of the same chapter, that is network. Earlier I have explained you all the important points of network. I have started you with the basic of network, that how we are useful for the network, what is the main purpose of a network, what is a network, how we can use a network. Okay, all these points I have cleared out. Then I explained you the components of a network. What are the components? There were 5 components of the network, that was network interface, hubs, switches, media and router. Router some girls were asking about that, what are routers. Routers are that which are used to connect the internet, like broadband, okay, the modems, the source by which we are connecting the internet to our computer, to our mobile, whatever. Okay, that is called router. Okay, the source which are used to connect the internet to the mobile or the computer is called the router. Okay, why it will be a cable connected, or it is wireless, whatever. Okay, it is according to its type, whether it is wireless, Wi-Fi, or it is with the cable. Clear? This is called the router. Next we will move out to our next topic, that is type of network. There are 6 type of network. Okay, PAN, LAN, WAN, CAN, WAN and SAN. Okay, PAN, personal area network. This network is used only at your home, at your personal site. Okay, in your home, for example, like Tata Sky. Tata Sky at your home is connected with one TV, but now Tata Sky offering can be connected to 2 more TV at your home only, not the outside. Okay, that is called PAN, when it is connected to the little area, small area, like even one room. Okay, in one room with 1 or 2 computers. Clear? That is called PAN, personal area network. When you are using the Wi-Fi at your home, that is connected to your computer at home only. And with that Wi-Fi, your mobile is also connected, your computer is also connected, your laptop is also connected. Okay, but it is in one room, in one house. So that is called PAN. LAN. LAN is when it is connected in a local area, one area. Okay, like for example the electricity, it is divided according to the area. When there is electricity, जब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चली जाती है तो हम लोग बोलते हैं इस एरिया की इलेक्ट्रिसिटी गई है, हमारी एरिया की है, बट इट इज डिवाइडेड अकॉर्डिंग टू द एरिया. तो सेम थिंग इज लैंड, व्हेन इट इज कनेक्टेड विद वन एरिया विद मीन बाय 100 to 200 computers. Okay, in one area, like Mohandipur. Okay, Alinagar, it is area, one area. Mohandipur is very large. Okay, in Mohandipur one area, Alinagar one area. Okay, that is in Alinagar, whatever computers and mobiles are there, it is connected in that area with that server. Okay, I am giving you one example. Okay, so that is called LAN, local area network, when it is connected with one area, not others area, only one area. Okay, like your what you can say, you can take the example of your school also. The Wi-Fi is connected to your school, this campus is connected to the one server. Okay, so it is connected with so many computers and so many mobiles also. Clear? Next comes the MAN, metropolitan area network, when it is covering the whole city. Okay, whole town, covering the whole town. For example, it's covering the whole Gorakhpur. Okay, so whatever computers, there will be 500 to 5000. Okay, 5000 computers are connected to each other, mobiles also, with one server, with one city. Like again I am giving you the example of the electricity. हम एग्जाम्पल अगेन आपको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का दे रहे हैं कि जब हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो गोरखपुर की इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वो गोरखपुर को ही सप्लाई करेगी, वो देवरिया या बस्ती को सप्लाई नहीं करेगी, ठीक है, तो वो गोरखपुर को ही सप्लाई करेगी. सेम थिंग इन नेटवर्क ऑल्सो, इफ इट इज सप्लाइंग द सर्वर इज सप्लाइंग टू द गोरखपुर, इट विल सप्लाई द इंटरनेट कनेक्शन टू द गोरखपुर सिटी, not the other city. So that is called MAN, when the whole town's computers are connected with one server. Clear? This was PAN, LAN and MAN. Next comes the CAN, WAN and SAN. CAN, campus area network. Next, wide area network. And this is system area network. CAN, campus area network, it is smaller than LAN. Okay, when it is connected to only one campus, like your school or any organization. In an organization, in one building, only that much computer is connected, okay, because of that organization. Okay, here like your smart board, this is your smart board. This smart board is connected to your school server, not with any other server, and it will be on until and unless the service is not on. Okay, so it is called CAN, campus area network, when the computers are connected in one campus. Okay, LAN, area wise, this whole area, civil line area. Okay, but CAN is campus area, only in one campus, in school or college. Okay, so only in one campus, when the computers are connected to each other, and the internet is supplied to in one campus to the limited computer, is called the CAN. Next comes the WAN, wide area network, when the whole world is connected to each other. Okay, everybody is connected to each other. You are sitting here, you can connect with the other person and sitting anywhere in the country or in the world. Okay, that is called the wide area network. It is not according to the area or not according to the campus or not in a one room. It is connected with the whole world. When the whole world is connected to each other, so many computers, so many mobiles are connected with each other, that is called wide area network. जब पूरी दुनिया एक साथ connected होती है, पूरी दुनिया आपके साथ connected है, that is called wide area network. Last is system area network. Okay, last is system area network. System area network is a new implement in the types of network. Okay, it is the network where it is connected the server to server to increase the speed of the network. Okay, to supply the information, to transfer the information faster. Okay, when server to server. Okay. Right? The term fairly new within the past few decades. It is used to explain a relativity local network that is designed to provide high speed. Local area networks के speed को बढ़ाने के लिए system area network का use होता है. Speed को increase करने के लिए server to server. अगर एक लोकेशन से दूसरे लोकेशन में हमको कोई भी चीज़ ट्रांसफ़र करनी है, अगर एक लोकेशन में कंप्यूटर ट्रांसफर करें, लेकिन उस सर्वर को अगर एक लोकेशन के सर्वर को, मतलब एक एरिया के सर्वर को दूसरे एरिया के सर्वर से कनेक्ट करने के लिए जो स्पीड की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, तो हम SAN का यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है, स्पीड को बढ़ाने के लिए, ताकि जो इन्फॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफ़र हो वो फास्ट, हाई स्पीड में होगा तो वो जल्दी ट्रांसफ़र होगा, लो में होगा तो टाइम लगेगा. हम ऐसे भी देखते हैं, जब हम कोई भी वीडियो या कोई भी गेम खेलते हैं, तो अगर हम उसको अपलोड करते हैं, तो अगर स्पीड कम है, अगर नेटवर्किंग का स्पीड कम है, तो वो धीरे धीरे होता है, टाइम लेता है. लेकिन अगर स्पीड ज़्यादा है, नेटवर्किंग में टावर ज़्यादा है, मतलब कि आपका जो टावर ऐसे दिखाते हैं ना, ऐसे इस तरह से ऐसे टावर दिखाते हैं ना, तो ये टावर अगर 2 पे रहता है तो हम बोलते हैं स्पीड बहुत स्लो चल रहा है नेट का, है ना, नेट का स्पीड बहुत स्लो चल रहा है। लेकिन अगर ये फुल टावर्स दिखाते हैं तो हम यही बोलते हैं कि द स्पीड इज हाई, द नेटवर्क इज गुड, okay, it is working properly. Same here, when we are transferring the information from one to another, then we need a very high speed. For that we use the SAN. Okay, so all the types of networks are clear. There are 6 types of, that is PAN, LAN, MAN, CAN, WAN and SAN. PAN, personal area network. LAN, local area network. MAN, metropolitan area network. CAN, campus area network. WAN, wide area network. And SAN, system area network. So I think you have understood all this thing. One more important notice is there, that you have seen your marks in computer in this second half yearly. I am very disappointed with the marks, and girls, please work hard, because you have to take maths and computer or maths and art in the next class, in class 9. So if you want, then you have to study hard. If marks is not there, you can't get this. Okay, so if you want to get the marks, you have to study very hard. So girls, please concentrate on your studies and please complete your notes, because maybe your copies may be collected again for the correction. So whatever last chapter till now I have given you the notes, please complete in your computer copy. And if I complete this chapter before submission of the copy, then please complete this chapter also and submit on time. Not one by one you are coming and submitting. On time, whatever date will be given to you, in that date please submit the copies on time. Clear? And one more thing, an activity will be conducted. This time this activity will be more creative. This time you have to create the activity, means I will give you one project work according to the you have to be no PowerPoint, Excel is there. So Excel is there, I think Excel is there in your chapter. Excel is there, Excel is there, chart and functions are there, but I want you to create a presentation. Okay, a presentation. I will tell you that what topic, in which topic you will create the presentation. In that you have to create a proper presentation. Okay, a beautiful presentation with all the animation, everything. Okay, I will give you the topic, and that you have to create, and it will be submitted. Email ID has been given to you when you were submitting your PDF in your examination. So that in that PDF you will create that presentation, and you will send that to my mail, to my personal mail. Okay, to my personal mail, and I will check each and every. It is compulsory for everyone, girls, those who are watching this video and those who are not watching also, because I know some are not watching the video, but those who are watching, please inform your friends that they have to create the presentation for the project work, and in this they will get the marks. Okay, it is very compulsory. It is compulsory for everyone. It is not that one or two girls. Everybody has to create that presentation, and then you have to submit. And girls, please concentrate on your studies if you want the computer subject in the next class. If you want, then you have to study. If you don't want, okay, but if you want, then you have to study, you have to get the marks. Okay, this times girls, be very serious according to your studies. So for today, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.